Hey guys, Theo here, and welcome to the Caffeine Zone, where we discuss everything coffee. And in this instant coffee series, today we are tasting Woolworths freeze-dried organic instant coffee. 100% organic. Good job. Growing everything with absolutely no chemicals. I love that. It unfortunately does not say whether it is Arabica or Robusta. It just says organic coffee blend. It is freeze-dried. We can see that, of course, through the crystals. That's beautiful. No recipe, no temperatures, just 4 to 6 weeks. This is good for you. Do it within a week. It's gonna get old. Let's taste it. Add milk and sugar to taste. I like that. Okay. Even though there's no recipe, we're still gonna do 2.2 grams per 100 mils of water because that's kind of a thing in the series. So let's jump straight into that. 4.4 grams for the 200 mils of water. Whew, need a little bit. There we go, 4.4 grams. Beautiful crystal shapes. Never use hot boiling water. It extracts the bitter elements. I hope you guys are getting at this by now. Start the timer and let's go for 2 minutes. Ooh, very quick crema just popping out there. I still have coffee floating and there's crema all around it. Nice brown creamy crema. 201 grams. I went 1 gram too much. Very intense aroma coming off the organic coffee. Fairly creamy, fairly sweet aroma. Not bad, not bad. Let's fast forward to 2 minutes. We can taste this coffee. There we go. Let's get into tasting this. Now, give it a good stir. Make sure that all the coffee is nice and dissolved. I love the color of the crema on the organic coffee. It's very creamy. Okay, first sip. This is a specific type of person's coffee. Okay. Wow. I think we're going to scale this one: sweetness, acidity, bitterness, and intensity. Wow! That is fairly intense right there. For organic coffee, I kind of expected less. Ooh. Okay, sweetness, 3 out of 10. There is some sweetness. Acidity, wow, 9 out of 10. Instantly, it's right there. It's your whole mouth full. That's gonna linger for hours. Bitterness, not too bad. About a 4, maybe a 5 out of 10. If you're into strong, intense coffees, organic is definitely the way to go. Now, this is definitely for people that love black, because it's actually soothing. Especially in the linger. It leaves a nice creamy linger in the back of your mouth. Very big body, very intense. But it's not that bad that I would like to add sugar to this. I might add a tad of milk just to change it off black for my personal palate. But that's not bad. Very dry though, very, very dry. Organic. If you're into organic coffees, this is probably one of the only brands I can suggest because I know you're going to get a good consistency in organic. So yes, if that sounds like a coffee that you would enjoy, now again, it's not my palate type of coffee, but if that sounds like something you would enjoy, I definitely recommend going for that. Awesome, Woolworths Organic. Hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you find your happy place in every single cup.